a trip to the restaurant. When you go to a restaurant, you might see a sign that says, "Please wait to be seated." A friendly host or hostess will greet you with a warm smile. "How many people are in your party?" the host will ask. This is to find the perfect table for you and your family or friends. The host will then lead you to your table. You might sit at a cozy booth with soft seats or at a table with chairs. Once you are settled, the host will give you a menu. It's like a treasure map for food. You can see all the delicious things the restaurant has to offer. Sometimes there are different menus for different times of the day. A breakfast menu for the morning, a lunch menu for the afternoon, and a dinner menu for the evening. On your table, you'll find everything you need to enjoy your meal. There will be shiny forks, knives, and spoons, which are called cutlery. You'll also find a napkin. It's polite to place your napkin on your lap while you eat. This helps to keep your clothes clean. A friendly waiter or waitress will come to your table to take your order. They will write down everything you would like to eat. You might want to start with an appetizer, like a yummy soup or a fresh salad, before your main meal. After your main course, you might want a sweet treat for dessert or a warm cup of tea or coffee. When you are all finished, the waiter or waitress will bring you the bill. This is a list of everything you ate and how much it costs. It's nice to leave a tip for the waiter or waitress to thank them for their good service. Then, it's time to go home with a full and happy tummy.